What's up everyone? So as you'll probably all know that there's a very bad snowstorm in Scotland right now and I have not left the house in 3 days. I mean, I went out sledging yesterday, but other than that I've not left the house and we're running out of food here, so we're about to go and try and get to the shop. Okay, I'm just leaving now. I stamp my shoes under the car so I don't get in with snowy feet. Oh, but the speed bump is not a good idea. White car is asking for an accident. I know, what the hell, why would I not move it? Right, this corner is always bad. This is like a main road here that we're about to turn onto. Abandoned cars. I'm laughing because I don't know if they've been abandoned or not. I'm just assuming because they're on this main road. It's snow now. It's so slushy. And none of the French bakeries are not even any rolls. You can get gluten-free bread or brioche. Some brioche. Some chocolate orange. Some I'm getting. You getting crisps? I don't know what else. I think I want Doritos, but not a big packet. This is empty. She's got a last. Is it got food in it? You just chucked something on me. Chicken fries. Not quite what we wanted. No, it's completely good as well. Yeah. We've come back to the vegetables because we thought we need more. Oils. Jaffa. Yeah, it's kind of overflowing. If the snow. These footsteps here are my footsteps from when I got out of the car earlier, and it's literally snowed on top of them. So it's still snowing. Like, wow, my hand. That was honestly like really busy in there. People are just buying everything. There was no bread, no milk. We had to buy like these long life panini rolls and tinned carrots and tinned peas and what else was stupid? Some pot noodles in case, you know, me and Abby have work tomorrow and my car is not suitable for snow, so our mum's gonna have to take us there. Aren't you? You're gonna have to take us to work. Oh god, this beast for the east is a beast. Our like housing estate is probably like the worst part. I don't want to film too much because there's people here as well, but it's like just so thick here. It's not been gritted. It's starting to snow again, but I want to show you this. These are the tyre tracks from when we left. Yes, this is the tyre track from when we left, and it is already fully filled up again, and it's like, let me go to like the deepest part. Well, it's a bit right down to the driveway. Okay, can you tell? Can you tell how deep it is? Probably not, but... Okay, we're back in, and this is some of the stuff that we managed to get. Some 2 pizzas. This one I want some of. Pepsi Max, Whisper, bits of Whisper, Haribo Star Mix, a lemon drizzle cake, popcorn to be popped, eggs, angel cake, brioche buns, 4 panini rolls, crunchy nut, I think I said that weird, Cocoa Pops, Doritos, Wotsits, pot noodles, Java cakes, and I still need to unpack some stuff. So this is like the main lunchings things that we got. No bread. I'm about to go out sledging and I have put my socks on the radiator. The radiator is hot, and I'm also going to take out my dad's red gloves. They're not waterproof, but I said I would give Emily the waterproof ones. So let's go!
The sled is in the toilet. Because it flew away last night.
What's in this pocket?
It was so windy.
Lip balm
Lip balm.
and a tissue. I'll put lip balm on actually.
Oh, my hair will start it every time I put this coat on.
Wow, I have no hair.
Yeah,
Lip
that's
balm.
funny.
It is funny.
It's the
It doesn't
same
have
material as this jumper.
It doesn't have a pom pom. The snowman. Wow. With an icicle for a nose. Woo. Let's go. Emily's got two
Take me
friends.
along?
Will I hop on?
No! You can take me along.
No.
Look at the wee cat, Emily.
Oh, little cat footprints. It's a bit windy, I'm sorry if you can hear that.
There's so much people at the hill.
Yeah.
Holly, get on, I'll try to show you.
Oh no! This is so stupid. Thanks, Em.
Wait, let me keep going.
This is so funny. This hill here is just ice. Oh, there's Erin. Oh, there's Eva. Look, it's just grass. It's just snow.
The whole side table.
She wasn't expecting that. Okay, right, Emily. We're about to go. Emily! I fell! Actually rolling around. Oh my god. Is that not sore? Oh my god. I am an egg! I hope the wind noise isn't too much, but I just want to say, I should have probably said earlier, Abby's not feeling well, so I'm out here through these treacherous weathers on my own. I've just left Emily and her friends back there at that sledging hill. I'm going home and I'm freezing. I've got to go and do uni work now after being out like a child sledging. So it's freaking freezing. My lips are numb. Jesus. Look at my cheeks. This is my wee car. My hat is sliding down my face. But basically, I hope you've enjoyed this wee vlog. We weren't planning on having a video this week because I've been so busy with uni work, but since the weather, and I thought we'd vlog in this weather because it's crazy weather here in Scotland right now. And before anyone says, we've got better weather, we've got worse weather, worse temperatures where we live. Scotland's not used to this kind of thing. You think we would be because we're Scotland and you would think it would snow a lot, but it doesn't. Where I live is normally quite dry, and it's like really snowy. So Twitter's, Instagram, Snapchat's in the description, and sorry I keep looking at myself because I'm using my phone to vlog this one. Twitter's, Instagram, Snapchat's in the description. Make sure to check it next week, and also at the giveaway because it's only open for one more week. And yeah, peace to this is a different kind of peace to the stars. Big mad glove on. Peace to the stars, and we'll see you next week. Bye.